Greetings, Happy New Year. Dr. Dominique here, and I am here to invite you to the 52-week savings challenge. Now, this is a challenge that I do every year in the $1,000 Savings Club. So if you're not a part of that, you need to join. But the 52-week savings challenge is a very popular challenge, actually, but a lot of people still don't know about it. So I'm hoping this provides some education and inspiration to join. So here's how it works. You basically save small amounts every week for a large gain at the end of the year. So there's 52 weeks in a year, right? Hence the name 52-week savings challenge. However, every week you save the amount of the week of the year. So this week is the third week of the year in particular, and you would save $3. So the first week you save $1, the second week you save $2, the third week you save $3, the fourth week you save $4. You get the point. All the way up until week 40, where you will save $40. It gets a bit more challenging as you reach the higher numbers. But the idea is that if you do this and you save small amounts every week, you will have over $1,000 saved at the end of the year. Now, for some people, they're like, what's $1,000? I could say that in a month. Okay, great. So you should probably go pro in the challenge. And that's what I love about my version of the challenge is we go pro. Pro meaning you can multiply your weekly savings by 2 or 3, and that will basically triple your savings. So this is another way to challenge yourself, especially if you have no problems with saving. It's also a way for non-savers to save and adopt the behavior of savings very passively. So now you don't have to really think about how much you can afford. You simply save the amount of the week. And again, in the beginning, it's less challenging. It becomes more of a challenge as those numbers increase, because now you're saving $40 a week, $41 the next week. That's $81 within 2 weeks. So based upon your income, modify the savings challenge. However, I want you to save something. So if you can't save 40, save 20. I don't care. I want you to save something. Something over nothing is the key. Okay, so that's the basics of the challenge, and you can find a link somewhere around this video to go ahead and join that challenge. And once you join, you'll begin to get weekly emails telling you how much to save for that week, along with a tracker that I've developed. This is a tracker that you can print out or just save and download it to your laptop or phone or whatever. But it's going to tell you how much you should save, as well as how much you should have saved on a cumulative basis. You can use it to look ahead so you can see exactly how much you will save by the end of the year. And it's broken down by each week. So you've got some tools to help you, the weekly emails, the savings tracker. And of course, if you have any questions about it, just hit me up. So I hope to see you inside of the challenge, and that this, again, video was educational and inspirational for you to go ahead and learn more about the challenge and join. All right, Dr. Dominique, peace.